Hello, we are at 85 Carl and this is apartment 8. It's a top floor, 2-bedroom. Right when you come in the front door, you're in an entry hallway. Off here to the right, got a full bath, shower over tub, tile floor. Here's the beige tile floor, okay. Bathroom vanity. You can also get to this bathroom from the bedroom on the other side of that door. I'll show you from that bedroom when we get there. Okay, next we got updated kitchen, gas range, and a fridge. Have matching beige tile floor in here that matches the bathroom floor. Okay, nice wood cabinets, black granite countertop, and a nice view here out of the kitchen window at Sutro Tower. We have a coat closet here off of the hallway. Okay, bedroom number 1. We are facing north in terms of exposure. We do have some curtains on order for these windows, so please excuse, there will be white curtains. But at the moment they are bare. Okay, so we are on Carl at Cole, right on the N MUNI line. There's an electric wall-mounted heater here in each bedroom and the living room, so there's the one for this room. And this is like an L-shaped bedroom, so I definitely think there's room to do a bed and a desk in here if you'd like. I'd say a queen-size bed. Okay. This is the living room. There's the electric wall-mounted heater for the living room. That is a decorative fireplace only. Makes a nice focal point for the room, but it does not actually work. Okay, here's the type of curtains that you'll see on the other window. Okay, we do have fire escape accessible here. There's a cute little park right across the street. And in general, this is just a great little neighborhood here. And we're right at the heart of Cole Valley. All right, bedroom number 2. There's the electric wall-mounted heater for this room. Okay, that door is the door that goes into the bathroom. And this room, I think you could do a king-size bed if you wanted. King or a queen. And here's the closet for this one. And then this room opens up into that bathroom. But again, you can also get into this bathroom from the hallway, okay? All right, that is a quick look at the unit. Please go ahead and shoot me an email and I am happy to set up an appointment so you can come take a look in person, okay? Thanks so much for watching.